Welcome to 360-degree Machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of a 2007 Sierra Onsrud 900 VS inverted pin router. If you have questions about availability or pricing, please go to 360degreemachinery.com and click on Certified Pre-Owned. Remember that all of our machines are located here in Naperville, Illinois. We do this to ensure quality. We do not broker tools. Also remember that we have another 40 to 50 machines either on site that are not listed on our website or that are inbound at any given time. This 2007 900 VS was small shop owned, and it will not disappoint. If you are looking for a 900 VS or a 36210, which is the older version of the 900 VS, you should really consider this machine. You will not find a cleaner machine unless you buy a demo machine, and you will not find it at this price. Few people will spend upwards of $18,000 for a pin router and use it this little. The 900 VS features a 36-inch throat. And if we come around back, we'll just take a look at the side real fast just to show you how immaculate this machine is. For a used tool, it is really an excellent plus condition. If we come around back, just open this door up real fast. You're going to find that 10 horsepower motor, 234 60 volt, currently wired to 30 volt. It does, if we look inside, and as you can see, it's very clean inside. It does have a brake. That brake is going to engage if you open any of the doors. It's a nice safety. Again, if you just take a look, you will see just how clean this machine is. You also do get a vacuum pump. And being that this machine is small shop owned, and I mean, a lot of these owners of these small shops can be really meticulous, and they have everything with the machine. You have the manuals, gasketing material, you have your wrenches, collets, grease gun. You also do have some fittings right here for your air jigs. There's some tooling. They did a lot of smaller work. You also do get other pin sizes. Even 2 bottles of spindle oil as well. We're going to open up the front of this machine real fast. If you look inside, again, it is just as you would expect to find. Looks just about new. Very low use machine. When I close this door all the way, it is going to engage this red safety you see here. When it does that, what it's going to do is it is going to send air. First of all, it's going to free up the spindle. Right now the door is open, so the lock is on. The brake is engaged. But as soon as, again, that pin goes into here, it's going to turn off the safety. The logic of the machine is then going to release the brake, and it's going to send air through the spindle. So when we close the front door, you are going to hear air purging through the spindle. It's designed to do that so that debris does not fall into the bearings. So here it goes. We are going to close it. With a simple flick of the foot pedal, we are going to plunge the front and raise the bit. You cannot turn the spindle on when it is in the up position. You have to turn the spindle on when it is lowered. Let's do that again, just so you can see the cycle for a second time. Your pin lowers and your bit comes up. You can adjust that plunge speed on the right side of the machine here, and again, you do have the tensioner as well. We're going to turn that vacuum pump on. And I'm just going to plug this up with my thumb. It does operate as it should. We are going to lower that spindle once again. We are now going to turn that spindle on. As you can hear, there's no issues whatsoever. Smooth running. Now, if I hit the emergency stop, that spindle is going to just keep spinning until it runs out of inertia on its own. But again, if we open this front door up, it's going to engage the brake, and as you can see, it will stop on its own. Again, this is a fine example of a 900 VS inverted pin router. Small shop owned, and it shows complete and ready to work. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.